Okay.
Mommy.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's start.
Okay.
I think let's start my eating.
Here we
I'm
go.
eating this.
Wait, okay.
I'm eating.
Ala, nag-blinken. Saan na ba mo? Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You have to sit properly.
Yeah.
Sit, sit.
Yeah.
Yes. Jika, come on.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you ready to have the challenge?
Of course.
Of course. So, do you know what challenge? So, we're gonna do the blindfold and guess the food challenge. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Just wait. Or before that, we need to show them the food.
Okay.
The food first, okay?
Okay.
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 So,
Okay.
we have mango here. Mango. We have Timbits and the spam.
Bubble too.
We have we have balut over here, and we have, what is this?
Rambutan.
Rambutan. We have, what is this?
Yes.
Pears. What is this?
Apple.
Apple. And the last one is, what is that?
Banana.
Banana. Okay. So let's start the challenge, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna cover your eyes
Okay.
so that you have to guess the food that I give you. I will give you some food and then you have to guess what kind of food, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, here. Oh my gosh. I can't do it. Because yeah. Just let me know if you see something, okay? Blake. Can you see something?
Okay.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing, right? Okay.
Wait.
Let's start. Don't open it.
Okay.
Okay. Where's your thing? Just wait. Don't open it. I'm just gonna get this. Here. Okay. Okay, let's start. Don't open it. I'll give you something now and then you have to guess.
Okay.
Okay, here. Okay, here. Bite. What is that?
Yes.
Good job. That's Spears. Okay, don't open. Don't open it. Okay. One more. Okay. Can you see it or no? No? Can you see something?
Yeah.
Huh? No?
No.
Okay, this one. I have to... Here, bite. What is that?
Rambutan.
Rambutan. Good job. Okay, can you see it?
No.
Okay, let's go. Next. Okay, bite. What? Spam. Good job. Yay. Good job. Okay. Next. Okay. What is that?
Apple.
Apples. Good job. Okay. Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Ah. What? Timbits. Yay! Okay, next. Here. What is that?
Mango.
Good job. Okay, next. Next. What?
Banana.
Banana! Good job! Okay, last. Okay, here. Last deal, last. Wait. Okay, here. What is that?
Balloon.
Balloon! There you go! You like it? You like the balloon? Huh?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You wanna eat it?
Just like
No? You wanna eat the balut? You wanna eat the balut? Huh? Is it fun?
Yeah, it's fun.
How about you, Blake? You want something to eat? What do you want? Oh, maybe banana. I'll give you banana. Okay, let's eat. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
We're done.
My dad.
Hope you enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it.
I have to look at the camera.
I'm
Okay,
ready.
you want some Blake? Some banana, Blake? Blake. Here. Banana, Blake. There you go. Okay, let's eat this.
I'll see adding when I not see adding.
Let's eat, guys.
Oh my
So let's
gosh.
eat, guys.
Yeah, let's eat, guys.
There.
When don't
Come on,
see
guys. Let's eat.
anyone, when I don't see anyone, I can touch adding.
You can say it. It's okay. We're done. We're done for the blindfold challenge. You good. You can taste.
Yes.
You know the taste. You know all the taste.
I touched adding already. Mom, I touched adding already. Yellow banana.
Which one? You can eat it.
Yes.
What about the balut?
But what? It's fun.
Which one? You wanna eat it?
That's
You wanna
it.
do the challenge? Huh?
Yeah.
You wanna do the challenge again? Part
Yeah.
2 eating balut challenge.
Yeah.
That's it, guys.
Can you help me, Mom?
Can you spell your name? What is your name?
I'm
La-
Neil Hayes from Salinbai.
Can you spell it? Show
Okay.
them. Tell them.
Okay. B-R-I-E-L-L-E.
What about Hazley?
Okay. H-A-S-E-L-E-Y.
Yay! What about Salimbay?
Okay.
Ano Salimbay? L I M B A Y.
L-L-M-B-A-Y.
You don't know Salimbay yet. You just know Brielle Hazley.
Yeah.
But you know how to write your name already,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
How old are you then?
I'm 3.
And you're 3, and then you're gonna be
4.
4 on when is your birthday?
July 11.
July 11.
Mom, can
Yeah.
you cover my eyes with this one cloth? Can I borrow your cloth?
Hanky,
Can I borrow your hanky, please?
of course. Of
For
course.
my eyes.
Of course. Of course. Of course.
Try again.
Try again.
I'll touch adding.
That's Alex.
I'll
Okay.
touch adding, please.
Okay, eat that. Eat your fruit now.
Oh, I touch you. I touch adding. Mommy, let's cover my eyes. Cover my eyes and then eat what's in my tummy.
So,
Mommy, Mommy.
Just say bye. See you guys on my next vlog.
See you guys
Bye,
in my
guys.
next vlog.
Yeah.
See you guys in my next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So thank you to Pat and Brielle. Thank you for taking